How to fix KB5052093 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solutions to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. You should start with using the built-in troubleshooter that is not only simple to use but it may also fix the KB5052093 failing to install issues. For Windows updates to succeed, certain services need to be running. Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS, Cryptographic Services. For each service, ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. If it's not, select automatic from the drop-down menu. Fix 3. Reset Windows Update Components. Corrupted files in Software Distribution folder might be the reason KB5052093 fails to install for you. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Fix 5. Check for corrupted files. System file corruption is one of the main reasons for many malfunctions in Windows, including failing update process. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.